Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 9-speed automatic pit transmission. This guy's in billet metallic silver, looks great. You got that black accenting up front, and you do also have your halogen headlights with your fog lights there and your red accented tow hook coming around the side. We do have our 17-inch tires with our Falcon brand tires. They look great. You do have your heated exterior mirrors there with the turning signals on them, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that Trailhawk badging, the red accented tow hook, the 4x4 and the Jeep, as well as your backup camera. It does have an automatic tailgate. You just open it up just like that. Looks great back here, lots of room. You do also have this guy here. Open it up, you got your spare tire just underneath there. As well, those seats can fold forward, and you do have this button here to close it back up for you. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. Got that guy open up the back, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Now, if it is locked, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so you just gotta put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, as well as your handle here and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. You do have that red stitching with the Trailhawk badging. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so you're off, you're on, your daytime running lights, and your auto, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And then right up here, we do also have the control over the high beams and the turning signals. Okay, let's start her up. Press the button. Starts right up for us. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Right in the center there, we do also have how many kilometers we have, 21,000, not too bad. You can also switch that around to your vehicle info, your fuel economy, your trip. You got your stop-start options, messages, screen setup, and back to your settings, and then to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Got the control over the windshield wipers right here. And in the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. So you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through aux cord, Bluetooth, USB, or any of those guys. You got your climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you do have different levels of hot or cold. You have your Uconnect apps right here. You also have your controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel, as well as your navigation right here. And you do also have your phone options. Right down here, we do have the controls over the volume up and down, with your mute button, your hazard lights, then your screen off, as well as your tuner and browser. You got the off. You have your AC, your circulation, heat up and down. You also have your mode, and then your mode, as well as your front and rear defrost and your auto. When you are in reverse here, you do also have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Then down here, we do have the controls over the 4-wheel low, 4-wheel lock, and then all your different mode selectors right down here. You just got to turn this guy just like that to switch it up. Then over here, you do have your USB and aux cord plugins, gear shift here. You also have your electronic parking brake, your stop start, and your traction control, as well as you do have some cup holders here. And then over here, you do have your armrests with some storage in it. And you do also have your glove box right there. Looks great. Up top, you do have this button that opens up the back. You have your controls over lights and your control over your sunroof. And it is a dual pane sunroof. Looks fantastic. Let's take a look at the back. Open this guy up. On the door, you have your handle here. You have that control over your windows handle and some storage. Looks great back here. Same material as the front. You can also fold this guy down, and you do have your armrest with some cup holders right there. You got a USB plug-in right over here, and you can fold those seats forward, as I said, just like that, and it gives you some extra room. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around with the 2018 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.